Hey guys, I am Surbhi and I welcome you in my channel Key Differences. Today in this video I am going to explain you the difference between qualitative and quantitative research. So let's get started. First of all, we'll understand the term research. Research is the search for knowledge. It is an objective and systematic search for relevant information on a particular subject or topic. Research is concerned with defining problems, formulating hypotheses, suggesting solutions, collecting, organizing and analyzing facts and information, making deductions and reaching conclusions. It aims at finding answers to questions by implementing scientific procedures. That is, it discovers the truth which is hidden or not yet revealed. Next, on the basis of nature of information, there are two standard ways of conducting research. They are qualitative research and quantitative research. Qualitative research provides insights and understanding of the problem at hand, whereas quantitative research quantifies the data and generalizes the result from sample to target population. What is qualitative research? As we have already discussed, qualitative research helps in gaining knowledge about problem under study. It is based on qualitative phenomena. When the research is to be made on human behavior, attitudes, cultures and experiences on the basis of observations and interpretations, the research is said to be qualitative. For example, marketing research conducted to collect data regarding consumers' taste, preferences and choices by analyzing their buying behavior is a qualitative research. The data obtained in qualitative research can be in the form of words, pictures, text, etc. The qualitative research is conducted to find out underlying motives and desires with the help of in-depth interviews, sentence completion test, association test, story completion test, and so forth. Methods of qualitative research. There are three methods of qualitative research: focus group, depth interview, and photoethnography. Focus group is an interview or discussion carried out by an expert moderator in an unstructured manner with a small group of respondents, say 6 to 8 people. Depth interview is a direct personal interview, that is one-to-one interview, conducted with a small group of respondents to gain insights or understanding of the problem at hand. Photoethnography. Photoethnography is a method wherein the researcher clicks pictures of behaviors, attitudes and emotions of individuals in different situations instead of asking questions to them. Talking about quantitative research. When the phenomena is expressed in quantitative terms, it is called as quantitative research. It is a type of research methodology which tries to quantify the data and establish cause and effect relationship between variables with the help of statistical or mathematical methods. For example, research carried out to know the sales of various toothpaste brands in a quarter by different companies of an industry is a quantitative research. Moreover, data obtained through quantitative research is measurable and comparable in nature, and it can be presented in the form of tables, charts, graphs, etc. Heading towards methods of quantitative research. There are four methods of quantitative research: telephone surveys, personal interviews, web surveys, and hybrid method. In a telephone survey method, a survey is carried out over telecommunication device, that is telephone or mobile, where the responses are in the form of closed-ended answers, say yes or no. In personal interview, an interview is conducted between interviewer and respondents. The interviewer can be the researcher himself or his agent to gain understanding of the problem under study. In web survey method, the researcher selects a group of respondents, say 100 to 200 people, and mails questionnaire to them to obtain information. Lastly, in hybrid method, any of the two research methods, say web surveys and personal interview or telephone surveys and personal interview, are combined to gain information regarding the problem under study. Difference between qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative research is an inquiry conducted to develop insight on human behavior, that is, to discover the way people think and feel. On the other hand, quantitative research is an empirical research used to generate measurable data by employing statistical and logical techniques. Qualitative research deals with feelings, attitudes, opinions, and thoughts of human beings to determine the reason behind that behavior. On the other hand, quantitative research deals with hard facts and statistical data to draw inferences in numerical terms. The objective of qualitative research is to explore and discover ideas used in ongoing process, as against the objective of quantitative research is to determine the cause and effect relationship between variables. Qualitative research uses purposive sampling, where a small sample size is selected to get a thorough understanding of the target population, as against quantitative research uses random sampling, wherein large representative sample is selected to extrapolate the result to whole population. Qualitative research is exploratory in that it provides insights and understanding on the subject, whereas quantitative research is conclusive in nature as it tests specific hypotheses and examines relationships. The reasoning used in qualitative research is inductive because it follows a particular flow to make inferences. On the contrary, quantitative research uses deductive reasoning because it relies on available information to arrive at a conclusion. The data collected in qualitative research is verbal or narrative in nature, which can be analyzed through pictures, objects, and words. Conversely, in quantitative research, the data collected is numerical, which can be presented through charts, graphs, tables, etc. As the researcher is intimately involved, the approach used in qualitative research is subjective. Unlike quantitative research, which follows an objective approach because the researcher seeks to precise the observation and analysis to answer the inquiry. Qualitative research is used to develop initial understanding, whereas quantitative research recommends final course of action. Okay guys, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of future updates. If you want to study this topic further in detail, you can visit the link given in the description. Bye bye and catch you in the next video.